myself K. Kalayarasi, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, CA, AVS College of Arts and Science. My topic: issue of shares. A share in the share capital of a company. The total capital of the company is divided into small units. Share capital based on the types of shares which can be issued by a company. Kinds of shares. Two types of kinds of shares. One, preference shares. Another one, equity shares. Preference shares. There are shares which enjoy preferential rights as to the payment of dividend at a fixed rate during the life of company and as to the return of capital on winding up of the company. Equity share. Share which do not have any preferential right in payment of dividend and repayment of capital are called equity shares. It is otherwise known as ordinary shares. Shares of a company may be issued in any of the following three ways: at premium, at par, at discount. When shares are issued and payable in all installment, in three installment. First installment is called as application money. Second installment called as allotment money. The third installment is called as first call money. Last installment is called as final call money. Issue of shares at par. When shares are issued at face value means when the issue price is equal to the face value, then it is called as the issue of share at par. Example, let the face value of share is ₹100. In case of when share is issued at ₹100, then it is called that share in issued at par. Issue of share at premium. When shares are issued at a price higher than the face value, then it is called as the issue of share at premium. The shares of issue price over the face value is the amount of premium. The premium on issue of shares treated as revenue profit. Example, let the face value of a share is ₹100, let the share is issued ₹120, then it is called that share is issued at a premium of ₹20, total ₹120. Issue of at discount. When the share is issued at a price lower than the face value, they are said to be issued at discount. Example, let the face value of shares is ₹100, let the share is issued at ₹90, then it is called that share is issued at the discount of ₹10, total ₹100. Under subscription. The application for shares received more less than number of shares issued. For instance, a company issued 10,000 shares to the public and the company received application for 8,000 shares from the public. Oversubscription. A company receives application for a larger number of shares than offered by it to public or subscription. Rejection application for excess number of shares, allotment of shares on pro rata basis, allotment to remaining application. Rejection of application for excess number of shares. For instance, a company issued 10,000 shares but applications were received for 13,000 shares. Therefore, the company may reject the excess number of application for 3,000 shares, and by doing so, application money must also be returned to the application. Allotment to remaining application on pro rata basis. For instance, a company issued 5,000 shares but received application for 8,000 shares. The company may reject application for 2,000 shares and money will also be returned to ₹1,000. Call in arrears. If any amount called in respect of a share in not paid before on the date fixed for payment thereof, such amount which is not paid is called calls in arrears. Amount may be called up by the company either as allotment money or call money. Calls in advance. The money received by the company in excess of what has been called up is known as calls in advance. A company may, if authorized by it, include as accept calls in advance from its shareholders. If such an amount which has not been called or received, such amount to be credited to a per account known as calls in account. Forfeiture of shares. If a shareholder who is called upon to pay any call fails to pay the amount even after sending referral reminder, the company may forfeit his shares. If a shareholder fails to pay allotment money or a call money, or a part thereof by the last date fixed for payment. Reissue of shares. To be reissued by a company to any person or is prepared to pay the amount unpaid by the previous shareholders. Capital reserve. Capital reserve is the accumulated capital profit. Model journal entries for application for receiving share application money. Bank account debtor to shareholders account creditors. Being share application money received. For transfer of application money to allotted shares. Share application account debtor to share capital account creditor being transferred to application money of allotted shares. For return of rejected application money, share application account debtor to bank account creditor being return of rejected application money. For share transfer of excess application money of pro rata application. Share application account debtor to share allotment account creditor being excess application money of pro rata allotted transferred. Allotment. For allotment money receivable at par. Share allotment account debtor to share capital account creditor being share allotment money due. For share allotment money receivable at premium. Share allotment account debtor to share capital account creditor to share premium account creditor being share allotment money due. For allotment money receivable at discount. Share account debtor, discount on issue of share account debtor to share capital account creditor being share allotment money due. For cash is received for allotment. Bank account debtor to share allotment account creditor being share allotment money received. For share call money due. Share call money account debtor to share capital account creditor being share call money due. For share call money received. Bank account debtor to share capital account creditor being share call money received. Thank you.